How to create a Gmail account the formal and smart way. Hello everyone, my name is Midef. I will show you how to create a Gmail account the smart, professional and formal way to create a Gmail account. You just have to open the Gmail account or in the Google Chrome, go to google.com, click sign in and create account. And here you have to enter your name and last name. Let's enter the name, Midif, and I will just skip. And here you have to enter your birthday and gender so that if you ever forget your password, this will help your password to recover. So I'll enter mine. Suggested you two emails. You have to choose one of them or create your own Gmail address that you have to write a username at gmail.com. I will write mine, for example, midif.it. Let's click next. And it says this is already taken. Try another 7. And it passed that. Now I have to enter a password, one password, 2 times in this input and in this input. So I'll enter the password and continue. And as you can see, it's created. Now it asks for a recovery mail. This is also very helpful. If you forget your password, you will use this friend's email that will help to recover your password. And now it's successfully created, but we have some steps to do that are necessary for the formal and professional Gmail account. Let's go to the manage your Google account. Click this yellow button at recovery phone, and it will navigate to this page that you have to enter a phone number that will be used for when you try to recover your account in case you forget the password. After entering your phone number, get back to the management account and click this security and sign in, and here enable this two-step verification. This is also very useful if in case your account ever got to someone's hand, they can't access your account because two-step verification is turned on. You have many ways to enable this two-step verification. At least one of them is necessary. So I will use passkey and security keys. This passkey is very fast, reliable, professional and efficient, better than all others, because the others, especially the phone number, that when you open your account, a code will be sent to the SIM card and it takes some time to verify the account. But the passkey is almost automatic and very fast, reliable, that happens inside your phone. Let's add the passkey, create passkey, and this passkey will be saved in my iPhone. Done, that's it. Now, if I ever wanted to enter my account even without a password, I can use passkey to enter my account. Let's try it. Now I have signed out from this new account that we just created. Let's try to sign back in, and I will use passkey to enter this account. As you can see here, it tells me you can sign in into this email that's saved in passwords that will use passkey. If I click use passkey, and it will immediately sign in without requiring any password. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and ask anything you would like in the comments.